What is business intelligence? Business intelligence combines both business analytics, data mining, data visuals, and best practices to help organizations make data-driven decisions. So what does that mean? So in this visual here, you can see that we have business intelligence across the top. So what business intelligence does is it bridges the gap between both the business acumen side of a company as well as the technical side of a company. You have the technical side of things, which is the management of the databases, the networking, the security. So you have your engineers, your data scientists, your database administrators, networking, and all the other IT people. And then you also have the business acumen side. So this is going to be all your managers and executives, people working in client services, marketing, sales, and production. So what business intelligence does is it bridges the gap. So we have an understanding of how the business works, as well as we have an understanding of the data. So let's take a look at some of the general tasks for a BI analyst or developer. You can think of it as broken into two different chunks. You have your different ad hoc requests, and then you also have your actual dashboard developments. What is an ad hoc request? An ad hoc request is really just someone from the business asking for specific data. Let's say, for example, your sales manager comes to you. They're going to give you a couple parameters saying, hey, I need this data, where it's within this date range, where it's within this product ID, yada yada. And you pretty much go and write your query to gather that data, and then from there you just simply visualize it or throw it in an Excel file or whatever the case may be, however they're ingesting that data. The next big part of a BI analyst role would be actual dashboard development. Think of creating a dashboard. Before the analyst is able to create the dashboard, they need to first gather the requirements of the business. So they're going to set up meetings with the business, and they're going to be talking with all the different stakeholders that are going to be using this dashboard or report to help make better decisions. So you're going to be meeting with them, understanding what data they want, what parameters they want applied to that data, as well as maybe how they want it visualized. So once you have those requirements gathered, you'll then be working on creating your data model. So some companies might push this off to like a big data team, or you might just be a one-man shop where you're creating the queries yourself. So you'll then move on to developing your code to actually pull the data. From there, you'll be ingesting it into your BI tool. So this might be through ETL processes, or you could be directly querying that within your BI tool. You'll then have your UAT, which is user acceptance testing. So that's just pretty much verifying the data, making sure everything's valid. From there, you'll be publishing your dashboard. And then from there, it's really just you're going to be ingesting feedback and iterating over the dashboard and making updates to it as you go. You'll also have your version control where you're storing your different files and different updates you make. So that's just going to help you keep all your code organized. So those are some of the general tasks for a BI analyst. Now let's take a look at the salary you can expect within the BI field. So I'm over here on ZipRecruiter, and I'm looking through some of the different positions within the business intelligence field. So as you can see here, you have your healthcare business intelligence, 66 to 107, reporting analysts. So as you can see, there's kind of a wide range here for some of these different positions. So as you build up experience or are more capable, you'll be able to get these higher ranges. So I hope that helps and gives you some insight on the business intelligence field. Like and subscribe.